My general advice when we have a system of equations on the SAT is to plug it into Desmos. Let the calculator do the work. The big exception to that, though, is if one of the equations only has one variable, then it's not really a system of equations at all. It's basically they're telling us the point, right? So this top equation is barely an equation. It's just telling us x is 49. So we can just make a substitution. Put that in for the x in the other equation. So y is equal to the square root of 49 plus 9. You should know, though you can enter it in the calculator, but you should know that 49 is a perfect square, and the square root of 49 is 7. So 7 plus 9, y is equal to 16. Choice A is the answer. Now, I did put it into Desmos just in case, because maybe out of habit, you're just like, oh, two equations, put it in Desmos. Honestly, that's not the worst thing. If you're not good at algebra, to just kind of default to the calculator anyway. But if we do that, we can see we don't really have much on the screen. We got to move around, right? But they told us x is 49, so go in that direction, right? Where is the 49? It's all the way over here, and sure enough, we have a straight vertical line, and it intersects this blue line, which is our more complicated equation right here. And if you tap it, you're going to get 49, 16, and they wanted the y value, so there you go, 16 is it. But notice the 49 is part of the solution. It didn't end up happening here, but I could easily see a question where they give us the x value as an answer choice as well, just because they know, when you got those two numbers on that point, you might just pick the wrong one. So always pay attention, x versus y, which one are they asking for? Make sure you give them the right one, because it's very common they'll try to trick you on that. Didn't happen here, but I am warning you. But like I said, Desmo is probably not the most efficient here because you got to take the time to enter it right. It's just faster, honestly, to be able to do the plugging in, plug points into equations here is really what this comes down to.